Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Yeah, let me say CVP, Careface Video Productions. Yeah man, give thanks for all the subscribers them. Keep it coming, you know. I can't stop give thanks for you guys. You know, don't forget to comment, share, and like, you know what I mean, and let's support the thing. Well, in this video we're planning to talk about bombs. But before we get into it, I just want to let you know that you should check out Tony Prophet. Yeah, check out Tony Prophet on YouTube and see what he's all about, see what he's up to. Alright, check out these two lovely books here if you want to check them out on Amazon. And they're all over the place. They're anywhere that you could find a book. These books are out there for sale. Alright? My thinking was to ask the question like, why was a bomb even invented? And we'll comment a little bit more on it later. Alright? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Here we're gonna go into this recording. Did you know this?
It may never be known with certainty who invented the first explosive, black powder, which is a mixture of saltpeter, potassium nitrate, sulfur, and charcoal carbon. The consensus is that it originated in China in the 10th century, but that its use there was almost exclusively in fireworks and signals.
Like most things that man created, it's all by mistake. So as you can hear in the recording, no one is certain where bomb first was created. That you know what that means, that no one wants to take the blame for the lives that bomb taken. I asked the question, who discovered bombs? And this is what they came up with. I'm gonna play another recording. Here we go. Did you know this?
It was discovered by Swedish chemist Alfred Nobel in the 1860s. He worked hard to improve nitroglycerin as an explosive that could be used in blasting rock in mining. He made one of his most important discoveries when he found that by mixing nitroglycerin, an oily fluid, with kieselguhr, the mixture could be turned into a paste.
So, as you can see, that's how bombs was discovered. It wasn't really a plan, you know what I mean? We want to take bomb out of the world, you know what I mean? There's many things we want to take out of the world, you know, many things, but we have to start little by little. You see me? One of the main things we want to take out of the world is money. But, yo, next, that one big topic. But right now, we want to eliminate bombs, alright? And guns and all those things that take in life. Like what I'm saying, in England or some part of Europe, they ban guns. So we want to see if we can do that all over the world. You know what I mean? Soon them have fire bombs. You know what I mean? Because them have guns, them have access to bombs. Trust me. But alright, we're gonna go into the next recording and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk again. But this time, I'm bridging deal with it, alright? Did you know this?
A nuclear detonation basically brings a star, for a fraction of a second, onto the surface of the Earth. The heat and pressure generated by this event would be monumental. Roughly 120,000 people in this scenario, 98 of those in a 2 kilometers 1.2 miles radius around the blast, would instantly perish, the team estimate.
I have a few recordings that I'm going to play. In between that, we're going to talk a little bit more about bombs. But first, my friend here wants to say something, so let me put him on. Alright? August 15, Rastafest 2022 through to Sunday, August 21st, 2022. Yes, where it's gonna be? Little Jamaica. That will be up on Eglinton. Go check it out. For more information, check out www.rastafest.tv. Alright? For email, rastafest 1@gmail.com. That's for more information. So, Rastaface, everybody, families, friends, bring everybody out. Doesn't matter. Bring the Chinese, bring the Indian, bring the white, hey, bring the blacks. Everybody come out. Come full joy yourself. Have a Rastaface party. Out. Welcome back to Careface CVP. Yes, as my friend said, Rastaface is the summer party for everybody. Alright? So, yes, we'll be seeing you there. Much love. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know what I mean? And let's support the thing. No one is certain where bomb was created. So I asked the question, how much people can a nuclear bomb kill? Did you know this? Another recording.
Estimated death toll of nuclear attack on major U.S. cities. According to Nuke Map, a tool that estimates the impact of an attack, just over 1 million people would be killed if a 300-kiloton nuclear bomb were to be dropped on New York City, while a further 2 million people would be left injured.
So you see how devastating that would be? So what's the reason for these things? There's no reason. Boom. So you see, that's just pure disaster. You know, people dying everywhere. People hurt, people injured, people left to die. The after effect continue on for years. Here we're gonna go into another recording. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So I asked the question,
what is the biggest bomb ever according to www.britannica.com?
Did you know this?
Tsar Bomba, Russian, king of bombs, bin name of RDS-220, also called Big Ivan, Soviet thermonuclear bomb that was detonated in a test over Novaya Zemlya Island in the Arctic Ocean on October 30, 1961. The largest nuclear weapon ever set off, it produced the most powerful human-made explosion ever recorded.
So I asked the question,
what would happen if all the nuclear bombs were detonated?
Did you know this?
https www.scienceoffocus.com Future technology. But assuming every warhead had a megaton rating, the energy released by their simultaneous detonation wouldn't destroy the Earth at all.
So I asked the question,
how many nuclear bombs would it take to destroy the Earth?
Did you know this?
This is why another study had been conducted in 2018 testing a similar scenario that also concluded that it would take 100 nuclear bombs to end this world.
Did you know this?
Within this world there are 13,080 ready-to-use nuclear warheads, and yet it takes such a small amount.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.